As parents, most of us face the same challenges with our children. Grades are stuck and are not improving. Math and science is a constant struggle. Children are frequently struggling with learning new concepts. Very frustrating, isn't it? Yes. Hi, I'm Atul Bengeri, Director of AcumenToday, and I totally understand what you're going through. That's why we have put together a team of the finest minds to help children ace in math and science. Let me explain how. First, we referred to all the available curriculum and syllabus across boards of CBSE, ICSE, IB, and a few state boards, and focused on the concepts and their application to bring about the meaning of every concept. Then we crunched the concepts into small, simple, and learnable bits of math and science concepts, one concept at a time. Then we organized the content in a simple organic flow so that the child can comprehend and learn the fundamental concepts very easily. As easy and as fun as playing. Let me demonstrate an example. Simplified learning to say. Let's take the example of algebra. Till the time algebra is not introduced, students are comfortable with the numbers, which are constant in nature. All of a sudden, a new concept of a variable gets introduced on which the entire base of algebra is established. Once the concept of a variable is understood, it becomes meaningful and easy to comprehend and apply the various new concepts as learnt in algebra. Let's take one more example, and this time let's talk about chemistry. The fundamental understanding of atoms, elements, and compounds is essential to comprehend the chemical reactions and, going forward, understanding the periodic table. We've gone ahead in simplifying the periodic table to bring about the conceptual learning through the logic of the placement of elements under different periods and groups. Well, when we start from the fundamentals, it becomes easier to build on it and help children think and learn. Let me talk about an example of coordinate geometry. These days, we use it in our day-to-day life. And what am I referring to? I am referring to the Google Maps. Google Maps uses the fundamental concept of coordinate geometry. Simple, isn't it? Oh yes, it's not just simple, but also fun to learn. Another fun fact about these books is that these books are DIY, the do-it-yourself kinds. In this case, it is learn it yourself, which means you don't need to tear your hair apart teaching. Oh well, did I forget to tell you something very important? Oh yes, these books are completely in line with the government's new National Education Policy 2020. I urge you to give your child the power of simplified learning and break out of the rut. So let's enable, enrich, and empower the children to learn to think and think to learn. That's what it is at AcumenToday. Please do it today. Thank you.